Some football news now. Mobay United maintained their position atop the Rare Nephew Jamaica Premier League following their 1-0 win over Dunbeholden FC at Jarrett Park on Sunday.
Mobay United can finally breathe a sigh of relief. This after they have managed to end a losing run at Jarrett Park. In two previous matches at the venue this season, Mobay United have failed to pick up a point, but all that is now behind them after the visit of Dunbeholden. But after 257 minutes, the former champions finally broke their duck, Wayne Gordon scoring the winner in the 77th minute. Mobay United are now on 32 points, while Dunbeholden are on 16.
It's the first 3 points at Jarrett Park. I think that's very easy. But I thought we did some good things today. Disappointed with the end product. I didn't think we executed as best as we should in and around the penalty area. But nevertheless, it's good to finally get a win at Jarrett Park. So I'm happy for that.
It's really tough to come this far and try so hard for the points to be just taken away from us like that. But it's football. I suppose sometimes it go your way and sometimes it don't go your way. But it's not a pleasing feeling when you know you put your all out and the game was not decided by the players on the pitch.
Racing United's chase of the leader got a hit as they could only manage a point against the Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant at Draxall. It was the home side who took the lead in the 54th minute, Judy Johnson with the opener. But Tajay Grant earned Racing a point with a 68th minute equalizer as they moved to 29 points, 5 more than Mount Pleasant.
Would be disappointed with the result. I think the performance was okay, could be better. I think we have a pretty much decent first half. I think what would have let us down this afternoon is not scoring and getting all 3 points.
We know something like this was going to happen. I know that the intensity of the game was going to be very, very high. And we asked the players, said to players, let's just sit and allow them to run at us. Allow them to play, just keep a low block and wait for the second half of the game, you know, kind of wear them out, and then I will try to go for the kill in the second half.
Third place, Portmore United dropped points for the third consecutive game as they were held 0-0 by Chapelton Maroons at Ferdinand Park. Portmore are now on 26 points, Chapelton are on 19.
First half, we got into their final third, their defensive third a lot, but our decision making wasn't the best. I think we got it to nick it at the last situation moment when we got cleared at the back post and we didn't score, but you know, it's football.
Well, we were 2 on the trot, so our confidence is high. You know, the team showed guts and character. As you rightfully said, Graham played a brilliant game in the middle, but not more so defensively, but we also had 3 golden opportunities in the first half. So we weren't clinical today, so that kind of made the difference.
Meanwhile, Treasure Beach ended a 4-game losing streak, defeating Malines United 2-1, ending their opponent's 5-game unbeaten run. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.